Hi, my name is Tim Brown, and I am a digital designer and web designer out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. This video is about user experience testing, and I will show you some clips of us working with individuals to see how usable a website that we designed is. And I'm calling the video the fatal flaw with the golden rule because different people want different things. So I may think that website might need certain features or be organized a certain way, but when I bring it out to the public, and in particular the prime demographic for that business or organization, the people that are using the website might actually find things that could be better organized. And so that's what the experience of user experience testing ends up showing me so that I can change the design. Here's some examples.
Hey, you have back pain. You want to learn more about your back pain and chiropractic? Where would you go?
If I had back pain, I'd probably go symptoms.
Are you right? Oh, you're fine. I'm actually just looking here.
Okay, so that's a quick example of a kind of question that we would ask just to make sure that everything is laid out clearly. This next clip shows we actually really wanted to make something that was original about the design, so we put the navigation on the bottom, but in fact it actually was somewhat confusing to the users, so we found out that we had to shorten the header image. So here are users getting a little confused and helping us make our design better.
That I'm seeing in here. Oh, I suppose I could have scrolled down. Ah, there we go. Yeah, this covered up the full page. I assumed that it was just
At the very top or the very bottom. So for some reason, just to me, it seems like, okay, that's it. Okay. So maybe if this picture was a little bit smaller, just so you could see, oh, all right, there's more down there. Yeah.
Well, that one actually turns out to be pretty easy because we were able to just go into the CSS or the code on the website and just change it very quickly so that the next set of users didn't have that same problem and that we could test other things.
I don't have insurance.
Literally,
I'm gonna go to patient health. I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. We'll help you take care of yourself.
It's very okay if we're wrong on the way we've organized this so
No,
far.
no, I know. I'm just trying to.
So
But
as you talk through it, it helps
yeah.
you. So it wasn't very clear though where to go in that spot.
No, because it goes through like I like this chart.
Yeah.
Where does your annual income land? And our sliding. See, it took me a while to see the sliding fee scale.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this user is having problems finding information about insurance. And so I think what I need to apply in the next design iteration here is the concept of this being really needs to be effective, almost like a billboard going by at 60 miles per hour. And so, you know, even though we like to think of it as great literature or just a brochure, even sometimes it needs to be really simplified. And so partly what I'm going to do on the next iteration here is take the content that's in the paragraphs and just condense it and make it into headings. And I think that that's really how a lot of people use the web these days, and so that will help make things a little bit more clear quickly.
Let's see. Can I click?
Maybe if clicking the whole map brought you to the map.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, instead of that,
Yeah.
because you know people are lazy, like me, and it's just like I see it, I want it. You know what I mean?
Exactly. That's a very good point.
Yeah, and billing. Yeah, I mean, I like this a lot.
I don't know if I would want to click these. I would, like, if I came here, I'd want them to cycle by themselves.
Okay.
But this is really nice. This is really nice. Does this function?
Yeah. Maybe make that a little bit more clickable.
Yeah. I'd like to be able to click anywhere in here.
Yeah.
Okay, so two people that we're testing with are finding a problem with the fact that the whole map isn't clickable, just part of it was. So now in the next iteration we're going in and designing and making sure that the whole map is clickable now. and so it'll be easier to use for people.
Yeah, I think everything else was fairly intuitive. You've got your categorized pages, each with subpoints, but I know where I am in each of those drops down. So.
I mean, I like the layout of the website. It's pretty modern and easy to navigate. It doesn't seem too medical. It seems like she's a pretty personable person, for sure. I like the text. I like the larger text. I like the big headshot of her. I like, these things, billing and insurance. I mean, it's very easy. It's like block by block, like, okay, it's catching my eye.
Okay, so we did get some things right in our design. I thought I'd show a little bit of that. And essentially the main point here, though, is that to have empathy for the real users of the website, people that could be potentially going on there, finding your prime demographic and really seeing what those type of people need in a website like yours, and then testing with them and then changing the design based on the results of that. So anyways, thank you for sticking with me. If you need any help with these type of things, I would love to help you. And I am Tim Brown, and a web designer out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. My website is timbdesign.com. Please visit it and subscribe, like the video if you want, and have a good one.